Mira, I'm take it dizzy. I'm a dizzy, Lamon. I'm a love bribe, pity. If I don't let permit. Hello, Abshin Mashaka Nota Kambana. Thank you very much for joining me on Kanelo Gingirkano with me, Mandela Gere Gingirkano Kamashawa. If you are new to the channel, please do so. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell and select all. Select all. Okay, we are busy with the review of Trouble Kulu album Mr. Post. Album makwahlo sasaka swinene May 2020 sukra khorokoro ile ku betleni ka swo tala go la misaveni kula xingungumani kumbe xana kula ntungu wa corona mara ke ni Mr. Post I ngibela mandla kuba a kote ku a humesa album during the situation and ke ni loko ni landele statistics ta ku album leyi xavise njhani swi tikomba nga ri le ku support on swinene album Mr. Post guys loko ni cheka na vona va ni byela ku ri a va tsemise close to 4,000 copies maybe and then ti ve ti xavisiwa leswaku ti fambini leswaku va nga ri va boheka ku ti va tlhelela le ndzhaku va tsemisa tin'wana ti-album ti-copy ku vanhu vo tala ve le ku ti laveni I mhaka kahle ngopfu va kha hi support-a leswi tinkambi te le kaya hi ku ti nga dlayi hi tindlala man ti nga dlayi hi tindlala. Although Maga Pirates corner, as I said, I'll actually put a link here. I'll put a card here for that episode where I'm talking about a new wave of piracy, which include WhatsApp sharing, stream ripping, and then illegal downloading website. So they are there. But then Mr. Post ilekulwe na show you could mess up mayena online. So check it online and also itukumela na hard copy if on that number ta banga nika hambi like Facebook ya yena hambi le queen. At the WhatsApp groups ta vona mara swi ni disappointa hi ku a tinambara leti nga ta shota loko kuma ku he tshama a tindhawu ta vatsanini mhala Mpumalanga leswaku a ku na distribution halaya ni twe van'wana va byela ku na munhu la nga driver from Rustenburg who drove to Joburg to come and buy the hard copy of this album, you know. Na swi tiva ku van'wana va na tona ti-account at online stores laha ku nga na va different stores that are online streamer, mara they still want to have a hard copy which is quite weird. I myself am one of those people. So I joined track number 2 later kuna Mr. Post akaku radio Bosha I jela kwa shasha yo pula radio station Mr. Post da I Steve Mr. Post jela pula radio station da guys ku jora va man la ka ku loko awo vula ku Mr. Post da out of feel ku nga kha ku vula the opposition, which is BMQ, maybe defense that BMQ. Is this song directed to them? Radio Bosch, I'm not in like guys. I'm struggling. I'm not line Mr. Post Radio Bosch. Do not do like don't Radio Bosch could do Boshantis. Huh? Go agitate, demonstrate. I feel like that. Okay. I want to come back. Can I talk about the backing vocalist here? Especially Prince Rangan. I'm sorry. I'm going to reference a lot to Prince Rangan's voice because I feel like it's the first time that the backings like TS he appreciate about backing. I really if I'm lying, it's the first time I feel like bacon he appreciate. I can hear that voice here, Prince Rangani, sounding so nice with a nice tenor. It's beautiful, guys. I blame Prince Rangani. Wow, guys. And also, I want to say, kuna magale ba itirisa kulaya ku gajela, mahlabelelo yo gajela. Bosho. Yeah. You know, it's like you to jumelala kunene, sona ndihisa man. As boy risimu lokho hlavelelwa ri swimunhu a hlavelela hi kule. Okay, pause. Mitini line liya. I feel like is it the trumpet? I feel like it's the trumpet lexi xi tirhisiwaka lahani voicing leyi nga lahani is beautiful yi landzelela yini va tsarini ku keyboard yi nga ri yi tlanga mambawulele Prince Rangani Dr. Joe Shiriman. Can I take a guess ku la leyi nga yi be man? Can I okay. Guys, okay. Let me take a guess ku ni vula ku nga ku chaye between the three ne nto nga ku chaye can I guess ku nga ku chaye Dr. Joe Shiriman? I feel like Joe Shiriman nga cha swilo leswiwani man, and I have a reason because I've heard this voice before ka tinsimu ta vona leta khale ta va producer vanhu va Papa Penny va Man Esther M, you know, va Mansan Glenn. This voicing was there. This kind of voicing was there. That touch, it's there. So I feel like I'm right. Lo nuku Dr. Joe Shiriman nga tlanga la hindiya. Nikombela ku mini correct. Oh, va kombela ndlela hi pfale hinkwako. I va mani lava kombela ku ndlela? I feel like la ku reference vanhu lava computer ku na Mr. Post kumbe TS lava va nge TS a chayi nchumu, and again Mr. Post dita defender sweswo ku ri TS ya chaya loko ku hlangane mambawulele Prince Rangani Dr. Joe Shiriman na dona Mr. Post ku pfura mdilo and a swi twa album leyiwani. So ni twa nga ri ku la ku vulavula hi vanhu lava opposa ku TS Team Shiriman. So Mr. Post is coming here to defend that, to say vana va tlanga man hina hi nga khoma mchini lawani pfalini loko mi la ku hinda ku lava permit ku lava permit ku hi le ka lockdown sweswo hi le ka lockdown vana va tala go in hi le correct. Kuna kuna that organ voicing kona la ntu nga ri liya yi tlanga hi mambawulele liyani mi ta byela ku loko ri ke na hemba upe mara xikhabyana xa Joe Shiriman va xihembeli mana xupi xikhabyana lexiya guys. Guys kahle I feel like we are very lucky to be living in the times of Joe Shiriman, you know, this combination nga kona va Prince Rangani. We are very lucky, we are blessed to be living in during this time, man. Swi fana ku va kha hanya hi minkarhi ya va Messi na va Ronaldo va kombela ndlela ku lava ti-permit sweswi. Ballad Gravul, guys. Hey guys, kahle arrangement lengala. This music is arranged by who? Can I get that fast? I can't find it. Mara vanhu lava nga arrange swilo leswiwani ndo reference vanhu lava hinkwavo Mr. Post, Joe Shiriman, Mabawulele na Prince Rangani va tirhe ngopfu ku arrange the backing vocalist na mahlavelelelo, you know, malidelo. It's almost like this song is almost like slow jam mara nga ri hatlisa mara nga ri arati ri in between kahle. So it's quite unique. I wanna go. Yeah, we know. Mr. Post has used that line before ka the album ta yena ta khale nyana, maybe the previous album kumbe the other one. Ngari it's a maiteresa line liya. Guys, this is beautiful, man. Exactly. Leswi ni vula kuswona ku ri ku vulavula vanhu lava nga ku opposing ka Team Shiriman kumbe xana va nga ku opposing ka vanhu lava va nga like album leyi hinkwawo. So it's clear ku ri what a song, guys. What a beautiful song. What a beautiful song. In the dada Mr. Post Mr. Post Dibin, guys. Radio Bosha. Yeah, like jora vanhu lava nga ku opposing ka Team Shiriman. I can reference the friends the BMQ. Usually bona banga very active ka ku reference swa Mr. Post. Anyone coming from TS loko vo humesa album very aswibi vegeza matitwa toka zanito bara aswibi. So duku hi la ka Radio Bosha lani loko vula ku Mr. Post Dibin itafana, you know, italuzekela yini ku ivule sweswo. And again I want to talk about the arrangement ya the instrument for this song ra Radio Bosha, guys. It's a very simple song and shindla ku risimu ri nandziha because are complicated ngopfu. It's a simple song ri tlangiwa hi can I do this thing? if you can allow me, guys, let me quickly. This song is played on a key of B, if I'm not mistaken. It's played on a key of B. Can I do this? So it's a key of B. So my guitar sound is not tuned. The key of B, and it's played with a progression of 1, 4, 5. So 1, 4, 5. So it's a simple progression. It's a simple song. It's not complicated. And Nantong Rivarna pause the instrument was more lyrical and instrumental. You know, the focus was on those things. To prove a point. I don't know. Radio Bosha. Vula looks bin man. Vula looks stagisa. Radio Bosha level suggest. I mean, the post. Hileka Radio Bosha, we know. Hileka Radio Bosha, we know. Yetaya wanna go. Yeah, we know. Guys, such a gift solution and I missed the post, man. It's beautiful. I actually like it. I like this thing. Now stock one blah blah in Dambi. Actually, I feel like the biggest problem you missed the post in Dambi. Yeah, you know the biggest problem you missed the post in Dambi. Whatever I can do, you always be compared to Ndambi. So, but it feels like it's a new sound because I remember Ndamba kuna sound shwe Zulu nyana Xhosa sound, and then stronger, you know, this sound yalem Mozambique nyana machinelo makona, but lawani it sounds a little bit different, you know. Mara I will give it Radio Bosha. I will give Radio Bosha. I feel like I could give it Radio Bosha. I'll give it a 7.5. Today I'm very stringent. I'll give Radio Bosha. Yeah. Ona mahlalela mane mandlaya la mane so ko gajero ku then mo jumela so ene vatwala kahle vanhu nga kuhlaveleleni mastering perfect 100%, songwriting I would say songwriting Radio Bosha ku tirhisiwe rito Radio Bosha swilo leswi kuma ku a wu nge swi vi a swi obvious nto swi tsakisini lani. You think maybe it's a radio station mara nto her me suppose do like ku ya dona dia shathu adijika jik nimpele ka dijika jik lani duvula straight ku sasana ku loko muna bin uvula ku ibin loko kuna hit munhu uvula ku hayi leyi hit leyi has be hang, you know. Dia shathu nga di defend Team Shirimani and di byela vanhu lava va nga against Team Shirimani kumbe xana tona kunga vanhu vo tala lava favor ku BMQ. So Radio Bosha is a very good song. I'll give it a 7.5. Coming from Mandela Gere Kingrikano Mashaba and Kaduk Ekesa. Certainly Nyora, I'm testing Totora. Naminan Kombelandel Vakaina. The top not permit Marat Kombelandel, permit Namina. Like a knock thousands. Actually, I had Kuri very lako iri kumakangove. Very can Mr. Posu Makangove, Astuva Legianli. He's from Ngove village, Halagian. So apparently, akungangeni local album le ya kuhuma very akurna shiphatanya not partini vana vatsakile vatsakele ku album ya Mr. Post you mean. So very loko ingari ku chayiseni ka Mr. Post angapfumeleli ku nghena ka Ngove leswaku permit wona ku nghena ka Ngove ku tlanga Mr. Post ya ntshaba ku ngari vaze va nga rivalanyana na ku na lockdown kubuja le ka corona aretse vakombelandlela vanhu vaka that casino kwa mijoni ka nkano la gingirikano with me like gereke stars tshwerekile Nyora. I'm testing Totora. We give that Radio Bosha 7.5 because of yeah, it was the instrumental wise quite simple, quite nice. Actually, why am I giving it 7.5, guys? I feel like it deserves an 8.5. Yes, it deserves an 8.5. This song deserves an 8.5 for simplicity and also for lyrical content. But it's too direct for me. Yeah, it's too direct. Maybe I would give it a 9, but 8.5. I'll say 8.5, Mr. Post. Thank you very much, Mr. Post. You can see this. Yeah, the pina ito na mina nto ter kahle at simeta ta go waiting sela ka ngwe viku ashipe no if anita ita ka nkare so nke sima ka ina ko me jone kan kanelo Gingirkan. My name is Legere Gingirkan. Ai bone ni kahle nkarhi lo ta ku ka video leyi landzelaka hi la ku endla risimu rin'wana leri nga thiwa a endleni xikhiya ne track number 3 ncunga swo fambelana tshama na hina ka nkanelo Gingirkan. Salute mi nga titimeli